I'm Estelle, I'm the founder of Florida Van Life, and welcome to our latest camper van. This we're excited about. It's our first Mercedes Sprinter, luxury. We're growing, we're going up in the world. It's so exciting. So come on in. This people love that you can stand up in it. That's like the number one feature. A lot of times our buyers will ask, can you stand up in it? If it's our low tops, no, you can't. Sometimes the high tops, if you're really short, you can. This one, look at this, you got space. So it's fun. Okay, so welcome to the kitchen. I just switched on the water pump, and you can tell here, this is how it works. It actually came down from Montana, so that's why I believe that there's like an antifreeze in the water. That's why the water is pink right now. This is really nice. You have plenty of space to do your cooking here. Here, this actually pops up as well. So you have, literally, you can very comfortably live in this full time, be completely off grid with the battery system, and just not even give up any of your creature comforts. This is the closet right here and here. So there's tons of storage, and these are custom cabinets by a really talented cabinet maker. So all of this works well, and it has a really hard close, so then when you're driving around, it won't open up or rattle around or anything. And then same thing down here, we have custom cabinets. So lots of storage for all your kitchen essentials, and same thing with all these drawers and whatnot. Right here's the battery system. So if you move that bench, lift up the system, this is all the battery. It runs off solar panel, or you can also charge it from a campsite. Then we also have a ton of overhead cabinets too, all throughout the whole thing, which gives you a lot of storage for your clothes or anything that you want to have access to over in like the bedroom area. And then here we have the queen size bed. We also have the vent up here, so then when you're in bed, you always get fresh air, which is nice. Some inspirational quotes and decorations to make you really feel at home. We also have a heater over here. It's a really nice heater that runs off the diesel. You just turn this on, and it turns on the heater, which is located up by the front, and it's connected to the diesel. So it's really easy to use whenever you're filling up the diesel to just drive around. Then it fills up the heater, so you don't have to really worry about something extra. It's just on and off button, and that's it. So you'll be comfy cozy wherever you are. Okay, and then up here, this is our front cab area. Something we really love is it has a backup camera. It makes it easy when you're driving a big build like this. And then this is a little cup holder, and you have storage for all your other essentials. For you and your co-pilot, whether that be a friend, partner, furry friend, or just your imaginary friend. Okay, welcome to the garage area. This has this nice curtain that you can open up all the way here. So here, this was built to easily store a bike. When you fold it down a little bit, then you can pull this out, and easier access to get your mountain bike in and out. And this also was built for kite surfing. So they had added all these hooks up here to hang kite surfing gear and whatnot too. And then right here, we also do have a water heater if you want to do a little outdoor shower out here, or rinse down all your water sport equipment. But in here, you can tell it's huge. Actually, let me get in here so you can tell spatial wise. Like this is big in here, and it's the whole queen size bed. That's the benefit about these Sprinter vans. They're so big. Thank you for watching our latest camper van tour. We had a lot of fun with this one. And this one actually, we're brokering the sale. So if you happen to have a camper van out there that you built, you traveled around in, and it's the end of the chapter, if you need help selling it, come to us. We're helping this lady sell it and get the top dollar possible for her, while delivering an amazing build for the next person. So we'll come in and we'll do our finishing touches and our Florida Van Life magic on it, and blast it out to all of our followers and help you sell your camper van a lot quicker. So if you want to stay wild and live free, work with Florida Van Life.